The Philippines was surprised by the arrival of a super-advanced unmanned combat aircraft newly delivered by the United States, marking a new chapter in defense cooperation between the two nations. The presence of this cutting-edge unmanned platform immediately drew public attention and interest from regional defense observers due to its advanced technology and strategic role in Exercise Balikatan. The video highlights the success of U.S. Air National Guard civilian personnel in conducting the first large-scale integration of the MQ-9 platform into Philippine airspace. This operation became a significant milestone as it required complex coordination across nations, units, and airspace domains. The MQ-9 is widely recognized as one of the most advanced unmanned aircraft in the world, equipped with highly precise intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) capabilities. In addition, the platform can support simulated offensive air operations, making it a critical asset in modern military exercises. The 163rd Attack Wing from California, together with the 118th Wing from Tennessee, led the mission as part of the first large-scale integration of unmanned systems into Philippine airspace. Both units brought extensive operational and technical expertise to ensure the success of the exercise. This integration process required not only technological superiority, but also strong procedural readiness and close communication with Philippine aviation and military authorities. Every MQ-9 flight was carefully planned to comply with national airspace regulations and operational safety standards. Throughout the exercise, U.S. Air National Guard personnel worked side by side with the Armed Forces of the Philippines, AFP. This collaboration reflected a growing level of trust and interoperability between the two allied forces. During Exercise Balikatan, the MQ-9 was used to provide real-time intelligence, continuous surveillance, and reconnaissance across the training areas. The data collected significantly enhanced situational awareness and supported more effective decision-making for combined forces. The unmanned platform also played a vital role in strengthening maritime domain awareness, particularly in strategically important waters surrounding the Philippines. This capability is considered highly relevant given the evolving maritime security challenges in the Indo-Pacific region. Simulated offensive air support provided by the MQ-9 became a key component of the exercise scenarios. This allowed both the AFP and U.S. forces to practice integrated responses to potential threats without employing live combat force. The successful integration of the MQ-9 demonstrated the Philippines' growing readiness to operate alongside advanced defense technologies with its strategic partners. For the United States, the exercise showcased its ability to deploy and integrate sophisticated assets within allied operational environments. Military officials assessed that this achievement would serve as a foundation for expanded cooperation in the future, including follow-on exercises and further capability development for the Philippine military. Unmanned systems integration is increasingly viewed as a core element of modern warfare. Overall, the arrival of this super-advanced unmanned combat aircraft not only surprised the Philippines, but also sent a strong message about the enduring commitment of U.S.-Philippine defense cooperation. Exercise Balikatan thus stands as a historic moment in the integration of advanced military technology in the Asia-Pacific region.